This is called a banded cat-cow. So this can be a good one if in the later stages after a back injury, you just kind of feel stiff or like the spine isn't moving fluidly. So this should feel good. It should not be painful, and it should improve motion before and after. So what we're gonna do is take a band here and bring it around the upper part of the low back, so right at the bottom of the rib cage, hook it on here, and then I'm gonna get some pressure into my hands there. From here, I'm gonna go into a cat-cow. So I'm gonna start by allowing this band to pull my back right at that segment, and then I'm gonna round into the band. I'm trying to stretch the band. So coming down, coming up. I'm gonna do 8 to 10 repetitions here at this level. Again, this should be totally symptom-free. It should actually feel pretty nice. So it should feel like a nice little stretch there, and then just some gentle muscle work pushing into it. So you do 8 to 10 there. Then we're gonna try to go one segment down. So that's roughly about an inch or so. So you're just gonna shimmy that band down. And then same thing. Allow that band to pull you here and press into it. Pull in, press into it. Do that 8 or 10 times. Go down again. Kind of getting the idea, I think. Coming down, pressing into it. Same deal. You're going to go all the way down to pretty much the belt line, or what's called the sacrum. So the sacrum won't move in this way, so kind of right there at my belt line. That's probably the lowest I would go. You can adjust your hand position so the band doesn't fire up your slide up your back, and then same thing there. So you're going to just slowly work. This might take 3 or 4 minutes to work through the whole low back, but then you'll come off there and just kind of feel, it should feel like the movement is a lot more fluid through that area.